What is the delineating factor that makes Cardano valuable? It was developed with the aim of providing a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem. So, with a system that has a scientific approach, it is expected that it will be accepted by more people. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land. Your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Cardano will cost next month. Let's get to it. Are you ready for today's topic? All Cardano lovers, behold the mighty news. You are gonna be a millionaire, but how? That's what we're gonna discuss today. How many Cardano to be a millionaire? Shocking Cardano ADA analysis. Cardano is a blockchain and smart contract platform that mints a cryptocurrency called ADA. ADA is named after Ada Lovelace, a 19th century countess and English mathematician who is acknowledged as the first computer programmer. You know what a blockchain is? A decentralized technology that is behind the working of cryptocurrencies. Now, coming to what a smart contract platform is, it is a self-executing contract where the transactions between the buyers and seller are encrypted in codes. Therefore, it offers safe and secure transactions without the intervention of a central authority, legal system, or external enforcement mechanism. ADA calls itself the third-generation cryptocurrency that targets to solve infrastructure-related problems that other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum were facing. Now, how many ADA would you require to be a millionaire? It's good to mention here that ADA has a market cap of $57.88 billion and is placed in the 6th position while ranking cryptocurrencies. Its price has sustained above $1 and accounts for about $1.8 on May 10th. Cardano is currently trading on 260 active markets. From this data, we can infer that Cardano has great potential since it's hit above $1, which means we can expect it to sweep $10 by the end of 2021. You know that Cardano is not only a platform for mining ADA, but last year's gain was insane at 4,100%. It did undergo some bullish movements in April, suffering from a slight difference of 4%. The founder and CEO of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, who's also the co-founder of Ethereum, said that he wanted to bring up a secure platform in order to solve some of the traditional problems like scalability that cryptocurrencies like Ethereum were facing. So basically, Cardano is a blockchain platform for those who are aspiring to create something different and also to contribute to the welfare of the global world. It addresses the issues related to contracts in general. So Cardano is not just a system used for mining ADA. It can, in fact, increase the popular support for Cardano, where it's expected that people who follow the work ethic would definitely invest in ADA. So, Cardano is not a project that was established without any substantial causes. It has various measures to ensure its stability and position in the crypto market. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain, unlike Bitcoin, which utilizes a proof-of-work blockchain. Ethereum, too, is planning to switch to POS, but this change will only take place gradually. Cardano is secured through an environmentally sustainable, verifiably secure POS protocol that is known as Ouroboros, an incentive mechanism to achieve sustainable and ethical growth. The concept of POS is that an institution or a person can mine or validate block transactions according to how many coins they hold. The more the coins, the more power to mine. Another benefit that Cardano offers is the privilege to involve in the operations of the network for the ADA token holders. Cardano is also used in agricultural sectors to track fresh produce from field to market. This network has also found a place in educational institutions to allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way. Retailers use it to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Whoa! I guess we should bring a halt to bragging about the multifarious aspects of Cardano. It is assumed that in the coming years, not in 2021, that the Cardano will overpower Ethereum, owing to the fact that it has a peer-reviewed scientifically researched system. But you cannot expect this change in 2021 due to the bull run this year. Now, let's discuss the price action in specifics to get to the point to decide how much ADA you should grab in order to be the big boss. We know this year it has hit above $1, and you can never predict an exact price for it because the market movement is irrational and so is the stock. So let's generalize and take an average of $1.50 pricing. It's time for some real math. Evaluating these statistics and daily analysis, it might hit $5 by the end of this year, which means you should own around 200,000 Cardano tokens by the end of this year, so you can trade them for cash and make around $1 million. But prior to all this, you need to purchase the tokens, right? How much would you have to spend to buy 200,000 tokens? Just multiply it with the average price of Cardano, that is $1.50. It might take around 300 grand to get that. So this is how you play in the business market. To earn $1 million, you have to invest around $300,000. As far as I'm concerned, it's quite hard to convert this idea into reality, as most people can't afford the price of 200,000 tokens, which is $300,000. So to get to the math moving parallel with life, let's expect that Cardano reaches $10 by the end of this year. So for that, you need to acquire 100,000 ADA tokens to be able to sell those out and make $1 million. But in the first place, you need to have $150,000 to be able to buy 100,000 ADA tokens. So from this we can understand, the more the value of a cryptocurrency, the less we'll have to pay to acquire the same amount of coins when its value is low. And also, this is not a definite calculation because the price keeps fluctuating every single day. It's noted that recently, Cardano USDT has been pulling off a bullish trend, and those who are quick enough to catch on with this trade are already up a good 9.2% on the 4-hour time frame. Cardano BTC also showed a bullish long trend that came at the beginning of May, and all those enthusiasts wearing the speculation caps would grab a modest 3.88%. The Cardano USDT did give a long bullish trend in the 12-hour time frame as well. Those who got caught in this 12-hour time frame would end up getting an uptrend of 1.47%. And there is another bit of good news, where the popularity of Cardano can drift to the African continent as well by lending a helping hand to the African governments to enable citizens to create digital identities linked to wallets or property. While giving a speech during the annual Blockchain Africa conference, Chris Hoskinson emphasized the need to bring about a revolutionary change on the continent that would enhance its developments. He noted that Cardano could provide a reasonable solution, and his team is in talks with several African nations to integrate the Cardano-based digital identity management solution, Alta Prism, into their daily operations. The Cardano price has bounced back after days of consolidation as investors react to the new staking news. ADA traded at $1.50 on May 6th, which is 65% below its lowest level in April. During the first week of April, the cryptocurrency giant Kraken started allowing staking of their currency. The company said that it will offer between 4 and 6% for people who have ADA in their wallets. There will be no waiting period, and people will start earning instantly. They will also receive their rewards weekly. This is a major piece of news, since Kraken is a leading exchange with millions of customers from around the world. It could lead to more demand for ADA. The trend has always been uphill across all time horizons for both short and long-term investment. The momentum is bullish, and in this long bull run, we can see opportune moments for people who are willing to trade. The on-balance volume is rising, indicating that the volume on up days is greater than the volume on down days. Hence, demand exceeds supply. The nearest support zone is around $1.50, then $1.25 and $1. The nearest resistance zone is at $1.75. This is a report of Cardano analysis from ALT. With the uptrend and bullish movement, the price of $1.8 has proved to be a catalyst, and a close buy above this level may attract momentum buyers. So, that's it, viewers. Now you can have an introspection as to how far you can effectively trade your ADA to become a millionaire. Let us know in the comment section below what your thoughts are on how much you think Cardano will cost next month. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Cardano Land.